Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Sofi's financial education resources. Let's get straight into the video. It's going to be a super quick one. First thing you got to do is to log into your Sofi account, and then once you're logged in, you want to navigate to the Learn tab. Now you browse Sofi's financial education resources, including articles, videos, and webinars. Next, you can take advantage of Sofi's financial planning tools and calculators that are available to use. And next, you want to use Sofi's resources to learn about investing, retirement planning, and personal finance. And you can contact Sofi's customer support team if you have questions or you need further guidance. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Sofi's financial education resource tools. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.